Hello students, this is the video number 42 of chapter Current Electricity part A, class 9 for subject physics. This is the chapter number 9. In this we will study the simple electric circuit diagram. Simple electric circuit. Now in this we can consider one of the bulb which is represented in this way, and here is the cell source of current, and here is the plug key which is open, but if I put one dot over here it is closed one. Here is the cell, you can label it also, cell, plug key. This is bulb. As you know, the key is on or circuit is closed, so simply you can represent the flow of current with this arrow from positive to negative. So this is the conventional current which is representing the flow of positive charge from positive towards negative. But the flow of electrons will take place in opposite direction to the flow of conventional current. And even there is one more circuit we can discuss by using an ammeter, cell, key, rheostat, bulb and voltmeter and connecting wires. So how to do this? First of all, you can mention one ammeter over here, then one plug key, then one cell, and to this side one bulb you can mention. Here is the zigzag line which is for rheostat. Here is the cell. Here is the key. Then ammeter. As we are starting from this positive, so whatever terminal will come with the same polarity, positive then negative. Okay, and then below to this bulb, there we can connect one voltmeter which is in parallel with the bulb. As we have started from positive, so here also you will get the positive polarity and here negative one. So this is the ammeter, and here is the voltmeter, and this is the bulb. Direction of the current is from positive to negative. As the circuit is closed, so current flows from positive to negative terminal, right? So this will be in contact with this line. Rheostat function is to control the current. After that, the last topic for this part is insulators and conductors. As you know, insulators are those materials or those substances which do not allow the current to pass through themselves. Examples are paper, plastic, rubber, etc. Conductors are those materials or those substances which allow the current to pass easily through themselves, are called conductors. Examples are water, normal water, not pure, pure is insulator, water, mercury, copper and iron. Then the last one is closed and open circuit. Closed and open circuit. So closed circuit, see over here, if the switch is open, so no current will flow. No need to mention the arrow over here. And if this switch is closed one, or every component of this circuit is in proper condition or it is working, so definitely you will find the current. So closed circuit condition is when all the components of the electric circuit through which the current can pass, it means all should be conducting. So that particular circuit can be considered as closed. But if one of the component is not working, or there is a kind of gap, or the wire is broken, so this is acting as a gap, so it is making the circuit as open one, so current will not flow through that circuit. Just read the content properly from the book, and you can watch video again and again to get mastery of the concept. Thank you very much.